Hello everyone, it is Travis from TravisGetsCreative, and I have an exciting unboxing today. I received a diamond painting in the mail, and I do believe it's one that I've been waiting on so that I can get started on drills and chills. Yeah, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and open it up and we'll see what it looks like. Please forgive the table. It is clean, it's just a lot of paint and ink and splatter from my art journaling days. I am looking for some solution to cover it up, but I haven't found one I liked yet, so stay tuned for that. It's going to happen at some point. Alright, so pull this out. For those of you that tend to watch my videos, you may or may not notice that the angle is a little bit different here. Typically I sit here in my chair and face this way, and then the camera is set up either just right off screen here or off camera here, or I'll set it up in this corner, kind of where it is now, but it faces the other direction. So alright, I am going to sit in my chair, so please ignore me if you see my leg like that. Alright, so looks like some drills and the inventory sheet. Let me adjust the focus so you can see what I'm seeing. Alright, this is a canvas that I ordered from Uniquely Yours Down Under Rose Proffitt Creations. The artist of this canvas is Rose Proffitt. As you can see, the drills come pre-bagged. We'll look a little more closely at those later, but I'm going to try to keep them as close to in order as I can. Let's see where this opens up. Alright, so it comes in a dust bag, which is nice. And then it comes with a little bit of tape on there to make sure that it stays rolled up during the shipping process. That's nice. This is actually my first canvas from Uniquely Yours Down Under, and my first Rose Proffitt canvas, so I'm very excited about that. I will, of course, make sure to put links in the description below so you can find this diamond painting and the website and everything. And I am an affiliate with Uniquely Yours Down Under and Rose Proffitt Creations, so I'll also put my unique code down below, and you can use that to save 10% on your order. Without further ado, let's just get this opened and take a look. I think it goes this way. Oh wow, this is going to be a big one. I don't know if I have the table space for this. It is a... oops, sorry. There we go. It is a 60 by 90 centimeter diamond painting. I think I'm going to do this off camera so that I can roll it backwards. It is a pour glued canvas, so... wow, this canvas is very sturdy. On their website, they have the option of ordering standard canvas or ordering a soft lint canvas. And for this diamond painting, I chose just the regular standard canvas. So bear with me just a moment while I get this rolled back. And I think it might have been waiting in the warehouse for a while because of the recent lockdowns in China. So it just needs a little TLC to get it rolled back the other direction. So I didn't notice that it came with a sticker sheet of labels, but that's not a big deal. I can make my own labels. It's possible. No, I don't think it's rolled up in those. Typically, it's rolled up in the canvas, I believe, so. Yeah, I definitely am going to have to make more space on my table. So, I'm sorry if you can't see this perfectly. I'll try to adjust my cameras and everything so that you can get a better look at the image. Ignore the cables. So this diamond painting is called Prince of Darkness. It is an original by Proffitt, and I thought it would be perfect for drills and chills. Let's see if I can bring this for you. There we go. Here's one of the thumbnails. It has a legend in the top left and the bottom right. The drill field looks very clear. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to have any problems with that. It should be easy to section it off. I might have to start working sideways just so I can fit this onto my table. Otherwise I'll have to roll up the ends as I work or something, but not a big deal. I'll figure it out and make it happen. Alright everyone, I got you situated back to the way that I normally sit, and we're going to look at some of these ABs and the others. So let's open the drills here. Comes in a pretty standard package. So it does come with this printed sheet. It's not stickers, but like I said, that's no problem. I can easily add my own labels. So there are 42 colors total, 2 ABs. The AB 820, the quantity is 14,523 drills. So it looks like that one and 939 are the two highest numbered drills. 939 is actually 46,229 drills. If I didn't say this before, it is in square. Here's another photo of the image. So let's get that to the side here. Let's look at these baggies. I'm not a person that works out of baggies. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's just not me. I kind of like the process of kitting up. But I think for this kit, I'm going to work out of baggies just so I can see what it's like, and who knows, maybe I'll enjoy it. I don't see any trash drills in this package. I also don't see any stragglers. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. These drills look high quality, which is something that Angie from Angie's Diamond Painting Adventures told me about when she talked about Uniquely Yours Down Under for the first time. I'll just get some of these out. I don't have to keep them in perfect order, because I'll probably sort through another way. Oops, sorry, I got you off camera here. So it comes with the DMC number on the bag. That is nice. Once again, the drills look wonderful. I don't see any concaved bottoms or convexed bottoms. And trash drills, I mean, trash is a normal part of any wow. Trash is a part of any diamond painting as far as I'm concerned, so you're always going to have some drills that aren't perfect, and that's just part of the manufacturing process. Alright, so we'll get that bag to the side, and we'll open up the big jumbo bag here. You can see the 939s right here, and the AB 820. There's a third 939 bag right there. Still, 939 will be a nice change from the 310 life. So I've primarily been only doing canvases that are, sorry for the plastic noise. I've only been doing canvases that are 30 by 40s and slightly larger than that. I think the Rude, Crude, and Nude canvas I did was 30 by 45 centimeters. I can't remember how big the Elephant in the Dream is. But if I remember, I'll put it on the screen here. It's not a big deal, either way. So, wow. Like I said, these ABs are all throughout the diamond painting, so that's why we have such a big bag. I say we, I'm actually the one that's got the bag. Let me see if I can adjust this ever so slightly. They look wonderful. There's a little dimple on that one there, and that one there. But I don't, oh, there's some more here. But it doesn't look like it's large enough to cause a problem with the drill sticking to the canvas. The color is beautiful. I think it's going to look really wonderful once it's complete. Here we go. This is the other AB. AB 798. These drills do have a little more dimpling on the back, but I still don't think that's going to be an issue. Yeah, I think it's going to work out just fine. I love the sparkle on these. You can't really see it because they're all turned in the wrong way. Yeah, so those are the two ABs. Kind of getting all these colors mixed up, but these look fun. 3842. 3801, 3835, 3859. So yeah, all of these drills look like they're great quality. Hopefully I will enjoy working out of baggies. If I don't, I can always switch back to my containers and kit it up as necessary, but I think it's going to be fun. I need to finish my fall gonks slash fall gnomes, and then I can get started on this for drills and chills, because I believe drills and chills goes September and October. And I'm probably going to need as much of that time as I can get. Oh, found a rubber band. Nice free gift. Alright, I think that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and sharing my excitement with me. This is, once again, Prince of Darkness from Uniquely Yours Down Under by the artist Rose Proffitt. It is a 60 by 90 centimeter canvas, square drills on poured glue, with 2 ABs and 42 total colors. Alright, everyone have a wonderful weekend, or weekday, or day, night, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are. Thank you so much. Bye.